Morning students, as in our last class, as our last lecture, I have explained you about our first chapter, the last lesson, which was written by Alfonso Daudet. Alfonso Daudet explained us for the last lesson. It was one of the interesting one. Now we are moving on our second one, our second chapter, Lost Spring. What is Lost Spring? हम लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. Lost Spring stories. Lost Spring, they are the stories of the stolen childhood. हमारे खोए हुए बचपन की कहानियाँ. Everyone has some kind of stories in his childhood, in his or her childhood. You can say these childhood memories. They create in our life an excitement which can't be forgotten ever. कि वो समय होता है जिसको हम कभी भी नहीं भूल सकते हैं और जीवन का सबसे स्वर्णिम समय. दैट इज़ वाई दैट ऑथर हैज कॉल्ड इट द लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग. एक खोई हुई बसंत ऋतु जैसा हमारा मौसम जीवन का. तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट अनीश जंग. Anish Jung, who was an author of this chapter, Lost Spring, Stories of a Stolen Childhood. And who was she? Now I am going to explain. Anish Jung, she was born in 1964 and Rourkela spent her childhood in adolescence in Hyderabad. She received her education in Hyderabad as well as United States too. She has revealed many her childhood memories in front of us so that we can be very affected towards her writings. She has under his pen these little stories, little childhood memories. They are not you can say artificial one, and they are not you can say not a simplest things. They became under her pen. It becomes a very special character of very special writings of literature. Now I am going to tell that first there are two stories have given here in this chapter, Lost Spring. The two stories of our lost childhood or stolen childhood. First story is named here, and then sometimes I find a rupee in a garbage. Story name is sometimes I find a rupee in a garbage. कि कभी कभी मैं कचरे में से मुझे 1 रुपया मिल जाता है. तो here she is explaining about the story of rag pickers. There is a word rag pickers. रैग पिकर्स जो होते हैं, जो कचरा उठाने वाले या होते हैं, जो कचरे में से कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ करके अपना जीवन यापन करने वाले लोग होते हैं. रैग पिकर्स आर दोज who we can say who collect things from the garbage and they make their life survival by the garbage. So here is one more character in this story. You can say they are named Sahib. Sahib, who is a rag picker's son, who used to belong from a rag picker's family. He always searches in the garbages some things so that he can survive, also that he can be happy. He always tries to find new things from the garbage. वो हमेशा कचरे के ढेर में से नई नई चीज़ों को खोजने का काम करता रहता है. When author Anish, she met him and asked, why do you do such things? Then he replied कि I always find to try gold in the garbage. मैं हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ कि गोल्ड को गार्बेज में से गोल्ड निकालने की या सोने को ढूंढने की. It's what is gold here? Can it possible that anyone can do such kind of things कि गार्बेज में से सोना मिल जाए? We can say it is his survival. ये उसके सर्वाइवल की चीज़ें हैं जो कि वो ढूंढना चाह रहा है गार्बेज में से. he always tries to find some new things like shoes, clothes. He always wear you can say unbalanced, undisturbed uniforms and shoes because he never gets such a particular one so that he can survive. Now we are going in his background, Sahib's background. When he has taken Anish to her home, it was you can say under roofed or very worn out you can say little hut, we can say, which is made by a roof or artificial things only. They have gathered all things from here and there and they made there is a house where they are living with their family. तो दे आर कॉल्ड रैग पिकर्स. साहिब के जो माता पिता हैं वो रैग पिकर हैं, कचरा बीनने वाले लोग हैं. वो कचरे में से सारी चीज़ें उठा करके कोशिश करते हैं कि वो सब इकट्ठा करके अपने परिवार को चला सकें, अपने परिवार के बच्चों को खाने पीने की चीज़ें दे सकें, उनको पहनने के लिए कपड़े दे सकें, उनके इवन उनके जो घर है वो भी छप्परों से मिल कर के बना हुआ है जो कि उन्हें कचरे में से ही मिला हुआ था. देन देर आर मैनी न्यू वर्ड्स ऑल्सो वी कैन फाइंड हेयर. Here in this chapter, Lost Spring, like excerpt, analyze, that grinding, grinding, then condom, scrounging, glibity. There are many other words also that can make your vocabulary strong. Now, in this chapter, in this first story, she is just trying to remember what used to happen when she met Sahib. When she investigated a lot, जब अनीश ने ऑथर अनीश ने उन्होंने प्रयास किया और ज़्यादा जानने के लिए साहिब के बारे में, then साहिब told they are not proper from, they are not proper individual from India. They used to live in Bangladesh, and they we can say their form, their field and their home was broken there by the storms and other activities, so that they had to brain drain here. Brain drain, that means पलायन कर जाना, उन्हें वहाँ से यहाँ आना पड़ा. Now they used to live in a Simapuri, which is situated near Delhi. And not only there are many rag pickers family live there, we can say, and they are totally dependent on the garbage. They continuously pick things from the garbage and make their life survival. Now I hope you are getting it properly. It is that name is given Lost Spring. Why it is given here Lost Spring? Because nothing is important there, and all you can say all unfortunate things are there. You can say people are living their life by the help of garbage. The most important thing is that Anish, the author, she used to remember such things as a spring. कि जब बचपन में उनको ऐसी कहानियाँ जब उन्हें सुनने के लिए मिलती थी, तो वो उनको प्रेरित करती थी, जिससे कि वो आगे अपनी जो लाइफ स्केच है उसको या अपनी जो राइटिंग्स हैं उनको बेहतर बना पाएँ और दुनिया के सामने ऐसी स्टोरीज़ को ला पाएँ, जिससे कि पूरे के पूरे जो दुनिया है उनको इस बारे में पता चल सके कि वी कैन से मैनी पीपल हैव टू बी सफर्ड. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. You can get this chapter why Anish Jung pen or under her pen. She has tried to make this chapter memorable, so that we can understand the importance of our life, because many people are there, those are not capable to live such kind of life which we are living now. कि हर व्यक्ति इतना काबिल नहीं है कि वो हमारे जैसा जीवन भी जी सके. Many people say that we are disappointed where the life, लोग अपने जीवन से निराश हो जाते हैं, but it should not be there. Like Sahib's life, and many rag pickers also, they are living their life, then they are suffering a lot, then also they are living happy. I hope you will understand about this. Then I hope you will try to take the gravity of the particular topic seriously. So read carefully, try to find new words, this vocabulary. There are many new words given here which can make your vocabulary perfect. I hope you will revise it a lot. If you are having any doubts, you may contact me on any time, my WhatsApp or direct via call also. Thank you, students.